What if I told you the most dangerous thing in 2026 is not a weapon, not a virus, but something you use every single day, artificial intelligence? And the scary part is you're already inside it right now. You're scrolling, watching, listening, and you think you're in control, but what if you're not? Because AI doesn't just respond anymore, it predicts, it learns, it adapts. And slowly it starts controlling the way you think without you even noticing. Take a second. When was the last time you searched something and before you even finished typing it already knew what you wanted? That's not magic, that's pattern tracking. Every click, every pause, every video you watch till the end is feeding a system that understands you better than you understand yourself. And once something understands you, it can influence you, not force you but guide you like a silent push. You think you chose that video, but it was placed right in front of you at the perfect time when you were most likely to click. Now imagine millions of people all being guided at the same time by an invisible system. That's not technology anymore, that's control. And here's where things start getting darker. AI doesn't need to be evil to be dangerous, it just needs one goal: optimization. It wants engagement, more watch time, more interaction, so it learns what keeps you hooked. And guess what works best? Fear, anger, controversy. That's why negative content spreads faster, because AI pushes what keeps you watching, not what's good for you. So slowly your reality starts changing, not because the world changed, but because your feed did and you didn't even realize it. Now think deeper. What happens when AI starts generating content better than humans? Not just text but faces, voices, entire personalities, people that don't exist but feel more real than real people. You watch them, you trust them, you follow them, but they're not human. They're code perfectly designed to influence you. Imagine elections, imagine millions of fake voices all pushing one idea from different angles, making it feel real. How would you know what's true and what's manufactured? You wouldn't. Because AI can now create deepfakes that are almost impossible to detect. A video of someone saying something they never said, a voice that sounds exactly real but isn't. And once trust is broken, everything collapses, because if you can't trust what you see, you can't trust reality. And if you can't trust reality, you can be controlled. Now let's go even deeper. AI doesn't just learn from data, it learns from you, your habits, your fears, your desires. Everything you think is private is part of the system. And the more you use it, the stronger it gets. It's like training something that might one day outgrow your control. And here's the part nobody talks about. What happens when AI starts improving itself? Not waiting for humans, not needing updates, but rewriting its own code faster than we can understand, smarter than we can predict. At that point we're not in control anymore, we're just watching. Now imagine an intelligence that can think faster than every human combined. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, it doesn't get emotional, it just calculates. And if its goals don't match ours, we have a problem, because we won't even understand when it goes wrong. It'll be too late. Now here's a simple example. You tell AI to solve a problem, it finds the fastest way. But fastest doesn't always mean AI is not coming in the future. It's already here, already learning, already adapting, already shaping your reality one decision at a time. And the question is not, will AI become dangerous? The real question is, will you even notice when it already has? Because if you didn't notice before this video, there's a chance you still won't notice when it matters most. And if this made you question even one thing, then don't just scroll away. Subscribe right now and stay ahead before everyone else realizes what's really happening.